Hi everyone, Gil here, Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm tagging on to yesterday's Your Prep for Today. Yesterday's was about reusing the water out in the garden. Today is about planning your spring garden. And some of you going, we just started winter. Perfect time to start planning, because it takes time to plan it out and you figure out what you can get, see what seeds you can get. You may say, well, I'm going to plant this, this, and this, and you go to order seeds and you can't get those seeds. You may need to plant something else instead. So start planning your garden. And once you have your plan, start buying your seeds. All right. So you need to have your garden ready to go for the springtime so that you can actually have a good garden and save money and not be spending it on greenhouse vegetables and stuff that have been sprayed with all sorts of chemicals to make them ripe at the right time when they get to the store, or to keep them ripe so they don't go bad till you buy them at the store. All right. So plan your spring garden now. All right, guys. Okay. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Add new skills. What skills? Well, if you're not growing a garden, that's a skill you need to learn. And if you are growing a summer garden, spring and summer and fall garden, what about growing an indoor garden for the winter, so you still get fresh vegetables indoors? Think about it, right? But you need to get better prepared for this winter.